Hey there, y'all. I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, guys, so I just went over to Instagram and seen something very interesting on Joe's Instagram post, or his story actually. So I decided I'd swing over here and let y'all know what it was. Now, y'all would never believe this, but this is a good one, so stay tuned. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was about the BoxyCharm Mystery Mascara. Well, thank you so much, Annie Medina Jada. I hope I said that right, Annie, but I probably butchered it and I do apologize. Anyways, Annie says, hey, Mandy. Well, hey, Annie, honey, how are you doing, love? I hope you're doing well, and it's so good to see you down in the comments. I really appreciate you having your bell set and always coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, I seen this on Joe's Instagram story, so let me show it to you first and then I'll be back. The stuff, and then, so guys, did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, is Fashion Nova coming to a future BoxyCharm box? What is it going to be? How is it going to get sized? Guys, there are so many questions, but if I can remember right, did he not ask about clothing or something in future boxes? And him walking into the Fashion Nova, and of course he tagged Fashion Nova as well as Rich, and Rich is the CEO of Fashion Nova. But could it be like, is it going to be clothes? Is it going to be pajamas? Y'all, I don't know. Fashion Nova sells just about everything. Do y'all remember when Kim Kardashian brought him out about copying one of her outfits? You know, Fashion Nova, they do that. They like to take the celebrity looks and they copy those looks. Now, some of the reviews, well, the reviews on the clothes are actually pretty good from what I've seen. But it's their customer service, I believe, that if I can remember right, I've seen a lot of people that get frustrated over their customer service and their shipping and just all kinds of stuff, y'all. So I don't know how well this is going to go. And again, you know, I guess it depends on what kind of clothing articles it is. I think they have shoes and, you know, they just have all kinds of stuff like that and accessories. So I don't know exactly what it could be. How are people going to get clothes? I mean, I don't understand, not unless it's like t-shirts or it can't be like jeans and stuff, y'all. Could it? Anyways, guys, again, this is just a possible future sneak peek, but you know, whenever he shows little hints like that, you know how sneaky Joe is. He'll throw like little subtle sneak peeks in his Instagram post and on Facebook and everywhere. But guys, really, what do y'all think if Fashion Nova comes to BoxyCharm? Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of clothing you think it would be. Would you like to receive anything from Fashion Nova? Just let me know. Again, we don't know what it could be. It could be something that BoxyCharm and Fashion Nova is working on together. Again, this isn't confirmed. So guys, let me know what you think about it down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else or confirm this, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Mother of Hope. Mother of Hope says, based off the formula, I'm thinking it's Benefits mascara. Well, you know what, Mother of Hope? I could agree with you on there, and it kind of does look similar to the packaging Benefit would do. So and of course you must have already received it. That's why you're telling us about the formula. And I really appreciate this update about it. It is really good to hear an opinion on it. I know a lot of, I've seen a few comments with people that has received this mascara. And Mother, I hope I really appreciate you watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.